So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Beech Tree Bees. My name's Cameron. This is our weekly inspection, and if you've been following on the series of these three colonies, you'll know that the colony number one, which is this one, was the one that initially swarmed, and it swarmed several times. I missed the last swarm and they were down to very few bees, and I noticed this week there's way more activity, so I'm going to go in here first and take a look. I think a lot of brood was born. I do. So as always, I'm looking on the top for hive beetles. And on there. So this is just a honey super on top. There is a queen excluder on. Just want to see how they've been doing. Propolis is what they've been doing. Come on, get them on that. There we go. All right, ladies, what have you been up to? Capping some honey off. Capping it off. You're doing all right. They're just doing what I thought they would be doing. There's nothing super exciting. They're just capping off all the honey in the super. Let's go down and look at the let's see how much brood we've got. Tight, Cameron. Yeah. Let's come over a little bit. Better. Okay. Let's look in the brood. See how they're doing down there. Crack this. Nope. Move the whole damn thing. There we go. All right, ladies. You wait there a second while I have a look down here. There's more bees because I can hear them when you've been around the hive a little bit, you can tend to, lots of pollen, you can tend to understand them just by sound. Well, a little bit anyway. I'm still a newbie. Let's see how this queen is doing laying. Lots and lots of pollen. Got a queen cell there. I'll leave it alone because it might just mean that they're not happy with the queen and they're going to replace her. The queen cell will always be on the frame, and the swarm cell, I'm led to believe, will always be on the bottom of the frame. So that queen cell on the frame, I'm going to leave alone. They might not be happy with the queen, and they intend replacing her. So I've seen no brood yet. Another queen cell there, and they may have already requeened. That queen cell has been eaten from the inside out. Now we're into the brood. Oh, a huge amount of brood on there. There's some eggs. I see lots of eggs. I think she's doing okay. Brood. I think she's doing okay. That's it, ladies, don't panic, it's just me. You know me now. Just the annoying English guy that comes in once a week, disturbs you. Oh, we got brood. Yeah, she's doing alright. Look at one more. Don't sting me. So as always, all I've got in my smoker is dried citrus peel. That's all I use for potential varroa mite issues. Yeah, that's good brood in there as well. Yeah, she's doing great. She's laying fine. We got a lot more bees. They're doing great. Keep doing that voodoo that you do, ladies. Okay, let's go over onto the little hive. Well, I'll readjust that. Oh, no. I'll leave you where you are, guys. You can see what, if there's anything super exciting, I'll bring it all the way forward. Hello, little hive. How are you doing, ladies? No hive beetles. So, still nothing on the outer frames. No. I must remember to put the trap in. Let's see if I can get you to sit there. Only got 2 pairs of hands. Will you sit there? Yeah. Alright, ladies, I'm just here to take a look. Well, it didn't last there long. There's still a super small hive. I'll put you there and take a look at some of those bees. Make sure Queen is not on there. Not on that. Ladies, how are you? Just taking a look as usual. This is the brood that I gave them. Not much of it hatched. Got a few more bees. So guys, in this shot, if you look real careful at the comb, you'll see that how they build it with a 9-degree angle to north, so that everything that they put in there, i.e. eggs, larvae, honey, pollen, nothing falls out. So if you look real careful, you'll see that it is slightly angled 9 degrees to north. They are amazing. Well, some of that's hatched. We've got a few more bees. There's still a very small colony. We've got more brood. And more brood there. I guess they just need a few more weeks. They don't seem to have much honey. They don't have the numbers to start. Well, there's a little bit of honey there. They don't have the numbers to start going crazy. I might have to give them a helping hand and give them some brood and bees from the big hive. I think that would help them greatly. I'm going to... Yeah, I know you're doing the queen dance. I'm going to potentially give them some bees today. I'm going to the big hive. Super check that the queen isn't on the frame and give them a frame of bees and brood, because they need a helping hand, I believe. They don't have many numbers. So I'm just going to put that top box on, that top lid on, just to calm them a little. And I'm going to go into the big colony number 2. Maybe give them some bees and some honey. Hello ladies, I know I've been watching you guys, you're doing a great job. But you built that comb up there again, didn't you? Okay, let's take a look ladies. How are we doing with this honey? Slowly is what they're doing. Slowly, slowly ladies, eh? No hive beetle. This one's heavy. Yeah, it's 70% capped on one side, but not the other. Again, 80% capped. They need another week on this honey. They do. 70% capped. 80% capped. 80% capped. You're doing a great job, ladies. You just need a little more time, that's all. That's heavy. So, as you can see, they are probably at 80% of capping. Another week on that is what they need. So now I'm just going to lay them to it. Look at the brood. There it is. Don't get stressed out, it's only me. Okay, so let's look down, see what they've been doing in that super that I gave them for brood. Oh, that's getting heavy. Hello, ladies. You've certainly been busy in here, haven't you? Come on, smoker. There we go. All right, ladies. How are you doing? See if you've got any brood in here yet. That was a end one. Haven't done much with that one. I'm not expecting to see the queen up here. Certainly not on that frame. I am not seeing her. I am not seeing the queen. I think we're okay. We've got some brood, some bees, some drone brood. They're just capping off. You can breathe on bees to spread them out a little bit. They don't like the breath. They don't like my breath anyway. No, I think we're good. I'm not seeing queen. I'm going to swap this one over. And I'm going to give them a frame to work with. And then close them up. There it is. Come on, we're going back in. Okay, so ladies at the back got a helping hand. Sorry ladies, you belong to that hive, not this one. And I've got a ton of brood. Oh, I've let my thing in again. You've got a ton of brood in this super. You're doing super great. see if adding the bees as well as the brood gives that little hive a kickstart. It should do. Okay, I think we are good. Oh, back on my knee. I think we're good, and we can close them up and see them in a week. And hopefully, giving the bees and brood to the small colony at the back will give them a little bit of a kickstart. Time will tell. We will see next week. So guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Please do subscribe to Beech Tree Bees if you find these videos informative. Like I said last time, this is an offshoot of Off Grid for Beginners with Cameron and Julie. There's so many bee videos, I decided just to make a whole new channel, and that's Beech Tree Bees. My name's Cameron. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe, and we will see you next week.